Welcome to class number 17 of the Leaving Cert Ordinary Level Algebra course, where you are going to start looking at functions. A function takes a number and performs an operation on it and produces a new number. For example, the number 1 is taken by a function f. The operation performed by the function is to add 3 to the number. Therefore, 4 is the new number thrown out. You can say that the f of 1 equals 4. Of course, the number you put into the function could be any number. Call it x. The number that comes out the other side is the f of x. In the function, you add 3 to x. So the function, the f of x, is equal to x plus 3. The f of x equals x plus 3. Find the f of 1. To find the f of 1, everywhere you see an x, put in brackets, and fill the brackets with the number 1. Therefore, the f of 1 equals 4. Example 1. Let the f of x equal to 2x minus 1 all over 3 for x an element of R. Evaluate the f of 0 plus the f of minus 2. Everywhere you see x, replace it by a bracket. Replace x by 0 to find the f of 0. Do the calculation yourself or use the calculator. Now work out the f of minus 2 by replacing x with minus 2. Work out the f of minus 2 yourself or using the calculator. Add the f of 0 and the f of minus 2. The answer is minus 2. Example 2. If the g of x is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 3, find the f of x is equal to the g of x plus 1 minus the g of x. Solve the f of x is equal to 3. Find the g of x plus 1. Replace x by x plus 1. Multiply out and tidy up. Now work out the f of x. Replace the g of x plus 1 by x squared plus 6x plus 2, and the g of x by x squared plus 4x minus 3. tidy up the f of x. The f of x equals 2x plus 5. Now solve the f of x is equal to 3. Replace the f of x by 2x plus 5. Solve for x. The final answer is x is equal to -1. That's the end of the class. Have a look at the demonstration examples, and when you think you are ready, do the exercise worksheet.